Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be showing you how to remove a green screen in CapCut. Let's dive right in. Step 1. The first step is to open CapCut and import your footage. Click on the Import button and import your green screen video and the background video or image you want to use. Step 2. Once your clips are imported, drag and drop them onto the timeline. Make sure your green screen clip is on the top track and the background clip is below it. Step 3. Now, select the green screen clip by tapping on it in the timeline. Head to the top right corner and make sure the Video tab is selected. Then you'll see the basic options. Click on Cut Out. Aha! Now we're getting closer. You'll see the Chroma Key option. Toggle it on or simply click it. Right next to Color Picker, there's a nifty tool. Click on it. This is where we select the color we want to remove. In this case, we select green. Now, let's fine-tune our green screen removal. To start, adjust the strength slider. Watch as the green disappears. I usually set it to around 50, but find the sweet spot for your video. Be careful not to overdo it, or you might lose parts of your subject. Now it's time to see the magic. Click the play button to preview your edited clip. Looking good. Congratulations, you have successfully removed green screen in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting CapCut tutorials and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.